What makes Builderall so different from other platforms? In a nutshell, Builderall is the only platform that develops new applications and features weekly and makes available to all users without new charges. And today we are going to talk about some new applications we made available to our users this week with no extra cost. I am Eric Salgado, CEO, founder of Builderall, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. Builderall is a company that focuses on customers' results. And as the market demands new strategies, it's necessary to create new tools, and that's what we do. The normal practice of this industry is to always upsell new tools and upgrades to existing customers. That's what everybody does. But again, Builderall revolutionized the industry, offering a platform that's always innovating and adding value to your subscription without you needing to overpay for it. After all, what really matters is your results. And to have the best results, you need the best strategies and the best tool. This week, we made a browser notification system available with one click on Cheetah Website Builder, without the need for codes or tutorials. And with this system, you have the possibility to send browser notifications to your leads at any time according to the country and language. Another great tool that we made available is the new Builderall video hosting. Right now, several people hosted their sales page videos on YouTube, Vimeo, Vista, and other platforms where you do not have full control. And users can just leave your website and watch the video elsewhere. You can now host your video for your sales page directly at Builderall and maintain full control over your video and where your user can watch. Plus, you have an incredible system of viewing stats for your videos to better understand how your leads are engaging with your message. And another major upgrade this week was in the Chat Builder tool, where you can now have a private chat with each customer who accesses your website. Imagine a checkout page where the customer can call you and ask you some questions, and you can have a private conversation with this customer, which in fact offers you a very good opportunity to close the sale. In addition, you can use this tool to support, help desk, and much more. That was this week's 5 Minutes with the CEO. I hope that as a user of Builderall's platform, you are taking advantage of all the upgrades that we are constantly bringing in favor of your business. Thank you for your audience, and I will see you inside Builderall. And today we are going to talk about some new applications that we made available for our users. To our users. That's what everybody does. But again, Builderall revolutionized the industry, offering a platform that's always innovating and adding value to your subscription without you needing to pay. Oh, so close. That's what. Oh my God. I am. Currently several. Oh God. Currently, several people hosted their sales page. Why are you laughing? It's not funny.